Hi guys, I'm Gray.
And I'm AJ. And in case you didn't know, a blizzard hit the East Coast the other day. Contrary to popular belief, New York City actually has trees. Look at all these. Impressive, right? I know. But anyways, there literally has not been a blizzard like this in a few years in New York City. And it snowed about 16 inches. So we decided to head to Prospect Park and see what's going on over here.
Yeah.
Let's go explore! Who decapitated him? Oh, they had a mask on it. At the other end of this tunnel, there's literally a ton of people sledding. I have never seen anybody sled in New York City in my life. That's amazing. Yo, the amount of snowmen on the floor that have obviously been beaten up. Like, that's so funny. This is honestly, oh, I'm tripping, super wholesome. Definitely. You having fun?
Yes. I don't think I've ever sled in my life.
Really?
I don't think I ever did it.
Wow.
I shouldn't walk backwards.
Yeah, don't walk backwards. Oh, look at you! You tripping?
Stop! Hold me normal.
It's a snowman!
Why is it like that? Oh my god.
A gift for you.
For me?
Yeah.
Oh man.
I made it for you.
Oh man.
Do you love it?
I love it. Oh god, it's so cold.
It's not.
Yeah, I want gloves.
Okay, I'll take it.
Take it back. Go ahead.
It's my baby. It's okay. You don't need to appreciate him. I will. I brought him into this world, and I will take him out. To start off the day, we're gonna be gay and do crime. Yeah, baby. Graffiti, baby. Vandalism. Crime. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.